we go then. Welcome to the Singapore Zoo and to the Rainforest Fight Back presentation brought to you by Capital Land. Now, today we're going to have some new animals to come out to practice for our new show just for you. Alright? And last but not least, right after the show, when you're leaving the amphitheater, please do it in an orderly manner. Can we do that? Alright, now with that said, I've got one last question. Is everyone ready for the show? Alright, let's begin. Alright, now first of all, you picture this. The rainforest is home to an array of fascinating creatures, gigantic trees, colorful birds, and mysterious reptiles, right? So, why do you think a magical place like the rainforest needs to fight back? Well, that's because the rainforest is the most endangered habitat on Earth. It has more than 50% of the world's plant and animal species. Now my name is Sunny and I am going to bring you all to explore the rainforest from all around the world. Now first up, we're going to go all the way to South America. I've got a question for you. What has the snout like a pig, tail like a raccoon, and climb trees like a monkey? Well, for your answer, we have our Cody
Monkey. Some other animal, iguana.
Now, Kodimani can be found in South America, and they are closely related to the raccoons. Now, they do have this very long tail that helps them to balance when they climb trees and branches. Also, if you notice that snout that they have there, now that snout, it is exactly like the elephant's trunk. They can move in all directions to sneeze for their food. Well, of course, they have very good sense of smell, and they feed on small mammals such as rats and mice. They feed on fruits. They also feed on birds' eggs. Alright, now from South America, let's go all the way to Colombia and meet one of our smallest species of primates. I'm talking about our cotton-top tamarins. You see two of them? There's one Rico and one Esteban. You buy one, you get another one. Now the reason being is that when they give birth, they always come in twins. Okay? Well, I'm sure you will know why they are called cotton-top tamarins, because of that cotton-like head that they have over there. Now, they can be small, they can be cute and adorable, but they are very feisty. They have been seen fighting against primates which are larger than them. Alright? Everybody say bye-bye Rico, bye-bye Esteban. Alright, now from Colombia, let's go all the way to Africa. Let's go to the islands of Madagascar. Now some of you may have seen him in that same show called Madagascar. I'm sure you remember the cartoon Madagascar, right? And he likes to go like this. I like to move it. I like to move it. Come here right now. We have our ring-tailed lemur. Now what you see out there is not King Julian from that cartoon. This is SD. The ring-tailed lemurs, they are usually very sociable animals. When they move on the ground, they would have their tail high up in the air to make sure that the whole group stays in place. They can also be very mischievous, rummaging dustbin and looking for food. Okay? Now today we're going to show you how high they can jump, what they will do to prepare themselves before a sting fight. It looks like he just don't want to do that. Okay. Now our ring-tailed lemur, is coming down up close and personal to you. So if they are very close to you, please try not to reach out and touch them. Alright? Because they can be very cute, but they are also very feisty. So try not to reach out and touch them. Okay? There you go. So this is SB. And we are also going to get BB to join us soon. There you go. Are you ready? Here he comes. Ma'am, please. Thank you. We'll show you also how agile they can be jumping from one location to another. There you go. See that? Now if you do notice, we have our training for you on the orange stick. Now that orange stick is called a target. Now that target is being used to pinpoint where we want our animals to go. And if he does something well, we will reward them with food because all our animals are trained in the food reward system. There you go. Now watch this. This is what they would do to prepare themselves before a sting fight. They would rub their tail against the sand glands on their wrist. Now the sand glands are located on their wrist, just like that. You saw that? That's a very good one, just like that. Now after they have rubbed their tail against the sand glands, that's where the sting fight comes in. They will swing their tail against the other male, just like sword fighting, right? And eventually, one of the male will back off and run away depending on how stinky that tail is. Now that is called a sting fight, alright? Everybody say bye-bye BB, bye-bye SB. Alright, now from Africa, let's come down closer. Let's come down to Southeast Asia and meet. We are going to go to the river shores of Asia and meet our Asian small-clawed otter, the smallest species of otters in the world. And right here, Wiz is going to help us to recycle the tin cans and plastic bottles. There you go. Tin cans and one last tin can. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that is Wiz, our Asian small-clawed otter, together with his trainer Yan. Thank you, Yan. Now, Asian small-clawed otters can be found in Asia. Now, you can even find them right here in Singapore. Well, I'm sure some of you may have seen otters in Singapore, right? But do not be mistaken. The one that you saw in Singapore are not of the same species. They are slightly larger than the ones that we have over here. Okay? Alright, now from the river shore, let's go to the airways of Asia and meet my name's friend. Very sweet, very silent, and also very agile in the air. I'm talking about our Oriental pipe hornbill. That is Chiku over there. Now, Oriental pipe hornbills can be found in 2 continents, and one of them is in Asia. Now, you can even find them right here in Singapore. Well, if you're lucky enough, maybe in the Changi or even Pasir Ris, you can see them flying above you. There you go. We are going to give you a few flights before we show you how agile they can be. Now, as she flies across, watch and listen closely how swift and how silent they can be. There you go. Now usually the male is slightly larger than the female, and if you do notice the cusp that they have over their bill, now that cusp, the larger they are, the more attractive they would be to the opposite sex. Okay? We give you one more flight before we show you how agile they can be in the air. There you go. Alright, now what I've got here with me is a grip. So what's gonna happen is that we're gonna toss this grip high up into the air and we're gonna get Chiku to catch the grip in the air. Chiku, over here. Alright, now looks like Chiku is ready. Okay, for those of you sitting underneath the bird, if you're looking up, don't open your mouth. Okay. Are you all ready on the count of 3? 1, 2, and 3. Ho! Now for those of you who missed that, get your cameras ready, okay? This time, if she misses, you all catch with your mouth. 1, 2, and 3. Ho! Isn't that fantastic? Now that's how agile they can be in the air. That is how they will just swoop down to catch even the flying insects on the go. Alright? Okay, now that was cool. But let's slow things down a little bit right here. Now, my next friend has a pretty nasty reputation. Some people even call them evil. And they strike with no warning at all. They even give out this loud hissing sound. What am I talking about?
Snake.
Snake. Now snakes loves cool and dark places, such as underneath your seats. And look around you. We may surprise you. Look underneath you. If you do see a snake, please raise your hand so that everybody can run away from you. I was just joking. Let me see if we can find one right here.
Oh, हाथ पे. Are you snake?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is TP. Now, TP here is our ball python. Now, ball pythons can be found in Africa. And the reason why they are called ball pythons is because when they are scared, they will coil themselves into the shape of a ball. Now, they are also known as the royal pythons because in ancient days, Queen Cleopatra uses them on her neck or even her wrist as an accessory. How cool is that, right? Now, many people have this misconception that snakes are wet and slimy because of that glossy shine on their skin. Well, they are not. They are actually smooth and dry. Well, if you have a chance to go down to our reptile garden, that's Reptopia, and if you do see a keeper holding on to a snake, you can approach them, have a feel of the snake, and you will know they are actually smooth and dry. Right? Okay, now, enough of the snake. Let's meet our new friend. I did mention to you that you are going to see some new animals. Well, they are coming up right now, talking about our hawk badger. Okay, don't be alarmed, that's just Shaki. Then, followed by Shaki is our two hawk badger. That's Marshall and John. Now, hawk badger can be mainly found in Thailand, in India, and also Indochina. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you are taking pictures, this is the best time for you to take pictures of them because this is the only time you get to see them during the day. Now, they are nocturnal and they are active at night. But for you Here they are, our hawk badger, John and Marshall. They can be shy. There you go. All right, now that was very interesting. They are also. There you go. But it's time to get serious. Now you have seen our Kotimandi, you have seen our lemurs, and you have seen the snake right here in the show. Well, unfortunately, their friends are fighting alone.